Mga itsura ko dito. Lagi. Day 9. Day 9. So, supposedly, iba dapat yung topic na gusto kong pag-usapan today. Kasi, I wake up this morning with this sudden surge of motivation to make a video about this. Biglang may pumasok sa utak ko pag gising ko and sabi ko, nilis ko agad sa phone ko. This is the topic I want to talk about. Whatever everyone is doing, do the exact opposite. Whatever the masses, observe the masses, tignan mo yung karamihan, saan sila papunta, ano yung ginagawa nila, and do the exact opposite. Now, I'm going to tell you why you should go against what the masses are doing. Like, everyone is going in this direction, everyone wants you to follow this direction, and me, kilala ko sarili ko, I've always wanted to go on the opposite direction. I never follow the masses. They want me to go in this way. No, I forge my path. I make my own path and I pursue my own path. So, yun yung character ko talaga. Yun yung na-develop kong character sa akin to always pursue what I really wanted to do and never follow the masses. Yun yung like ko sinasabi eh. If you're going to follow the masses, you're going to follow average people, take a guess. What you're going to get is also average results. You put in average effort, you will also get average results. That's how it goes. So, if you want extraordinary results, like extreme results, well, guess what? You have to do the extreme. So there's no such thing as balanced life. Life is unbalanced. Yeah, you can argue na kailangan mo talaga i-balance, you need to make time for this and that. Pero no, that's not how you operate in this life. Life is like a roller coaster. There's ups and downs. It's a mix of emotion. It's a mix of events in life. Shit's gonna happen. It's not always going to be positive, ganon. So with that, it's unbalanced. You have to pursue the extreme to get extreme results. And that's how you succeed in life. You will never succeed if you just take mediocre actions, mediocre efforts. That's not how you succeed in life. Yeah, I'm not in that position pa talaga to say this, but I got some results. That's why I'm in this position. I'm able to convey, to talk in this confident manner, speak in front of the camera, inspired other people, and they follow me, they admire me. I got some results. So you make your own path, forge your own path, and pursue your own path. If may certain idea, may certain ideology na gusto sabihin sa'yo ng tao, like, you should follow this and that, you should go against that. Kahit sa ano, I remember, way back in 2017, 2018, calisthenics is just on the rise. Hindi pa ganun ka-popular yung calisthenics. And the only way to build muscle, ganun, is working out, like lifting weights, lifting heavy objects, external weights. Hindi pa ganun ka-boom yung calisthenics, hindi pa ganun kasikat. So knowing me, I want to diverge. I want to make my own path. Sila papunta dito sa weightlifting. Again, nothing wrong with that. Lifting weights, lifting external objects. Me, I pursue calisthenics. Yun yung I diverge from the masses, from the fitness community, na sinabi ko sa sarili ko, no, I'm gonna prove to these people na I can also build muscle. I can also be an aesthetic person, aesthetic fitness influencer by only incorporating calisthenics exercise. Results speaks for itself. I'm in this position. Ako tuloy yung tao na kilala nila as a calisthenics person. Pag na-mention yung word na calisthenics, si Carl, nagka-calisthenics. Kilala ko si Carl, nagka-calisthenics. Siya, calisthenics athlete siya. So, see that? Like, hindi ako ordinary. I'm not that ordinary person na I'm also a bodybuilder. I'm also a gym goer, na I'm in that space. Like, yun kasi ako eh. I don't know if I hope you resonate with me. Like, iba kasi itong mindset ko. I always wanted to be different. I always wanted to be perceived someone. And hindi lang yun eh. I know my potential. I know my worth. I know that I'm capable of many things. That's why I don't follow the masses. I don't follow them. So, ganun lang yun eh. May nag-advise sa'yo na the best rep range is 8 to 12. Go experiment. Try different rep range. Sa working out, yun yung laging sinasabi, 8 to 12 is the best hypertrophy rep range. Do the opposite. Kung ano yung ginagawa ng masses, kung ano yung ginagawa ng karamihan, do exactly the opposite. Bakit? 8 to 12 lagi nilang ginagawa. Look at their physique. Average. Where? Where's the results? Are those the results you want? If not, why would you follow the advice of the masses? Why would you follow the advice of the average? Do you get the point? You're taking average advice. Again, there's no harm. There's no ayos lang naman. You take advice. You take it as a grain of salt. Pero why would you? If you can take someone else's advice na nasa posisyon na to, he got these results, di ba mas mainam na you take advice from him, siya yung umiba sa path, siya yung, yun yung point ko kanina eh. I don't want to be a sheep. I don't want to be just a follower. I want to lead people. I want to lead a community of people who's loyal, who's based. That's why I'm also doing this. I want to lead. Natural sa akin yun, na to lead and to make my own path and never follow just the ordinary person. Kasi why would I follow him or her if ito lang yung results niya sa buhay, ito yung ginagawa niya. Like kung ano yung pinipreach nila, like karamihan ng tao magpupuyat, you do the opposite. Karamihan ng tao magiinom, you do the opposite. Karamihan ng tao are saying na it's okay to do this and that. It's not gonna hurt. Like, every once in a while lang. You do the exact opposite. That's how you get ahead of people. Kaya nagtataka sila eh. Like, how do I reach this kind of position in life? And that is simply going against the masses, going against what is being preached. Do the exact opposite. I'm really emphasizing that kasi especially if you're watching this video, like, I know you have potential. I know you really wanted to listen to me, to what I'm saying. Your greatest weapon is your patience. Just wait. Just give it a couple of years and you will see. Makikita mo rin to, itong advice na sinasabi ko na not following the average. Makikita mo, if you don't follow the average, makikita mo your friends, your classmates, itong mga taong sinasamahan mo na alam mong average, makikita mo in some point of your life, in some years, makikita mo, you will go in this direction and he or she will go in this direction. And makikita mo kung sino yung tao na really puts in the effort and work. Makikita mo yung results, the years of hard work, the years of effort na going against that resistance, going against the resistance of masses, of what everyone else is doing, of what your parents, your relatives, your friends, your classmates, other people judging you na you should do this, but you go against that. Makikita mo, your patience is your greatest weapon. Makikita mo. And the reason why I can speak this confidently because I can see the results. Now I'm in this position na papalayo ako. I'm diverging from their path and I'm making my own path. And that is also what I wanted for you to do. Make your own path, forge your own path, pursue that, take that risk, and that's pretty much it. Yun lang yung gusto ko emphasize today's video. As you can see, I'm so hype, I'm so energetic, gano'n ka-passionate sa advice na to. I literally wake up this morning na may ganitong energy na sabi ko, shit, ito gusto ko pag-usapan today. Gusto ko i-share agad to. That's pretty much it. Later, I'm going to see you at the gym. I'm going to do something different. Yun ang advice ko for today. Stop being average. Deviate from that path. Become a unique. Become the outlier. And I'll see you at the gym.
You're right here.
Paano ba to? Ganito ba to? Ganyan. Pagkaganyan ko,
Put that on your face.
tapos, ganun ko. Aba? May ano ba to? May niacinamide, moisturizing, Sika.
Biloba.
Wow. Salicylic acid.
I like this.
Damn. Woo! Bro,
And then spread this in your hands like a century tuna.
pakita mo sa kanila. Pakita mo. See that?
This white thing.
Loko! Pero mo next. Yung susunod nyo, sabihin, si Berman! Si Berman!
Bata,
Next. Eh, gano'n ka dapat? Uy, no?
definition of pimples.
Nice. Pababa. Okay.
You know what? You decide.
Yes, we're doing that. We're gonna do that.
It's for this video, you're our approach.
All right. Wait, not made for kids. Propose ko to, bahala kayo. Nice, seryoso. Cool, nice, explosive Baron, explosive, nice. Sumabog. Boom! Yan tuloy.
Ako yung sunod, pre. Hindi ako.
Yan, ipit yung weight. Nice. Tuloy lang. Gago! Seryoso, nice. Okay na. Nice. Tagal ko nakahang doon. Tuloy. Nice, 5 kg. Nice. Yan. Tuloy, till failure. Nice one. Injury. Nung clavicle. Yes. Pull! Intek! Pull mo! Okay, all out. Tapos na, huy! Ano yan?
Explosive.
Pala, gawin mo! Woo! Sayang. Bigat na. 8 lang ata. Pero di na maganda yung form eh. Full, nice. Squeeze mo, abs mo dyan. Yan, kahit abs, squeeze mo. Yan, goods. Nice. Yan. Natry mo na yung ganung grip, pre. Anong pakiramdam?
Almost ganun. Flat. Pero mas ano, kaysa hinging,
More on?
mas masarap siya kasi ano, kaysa dito, already parang hinging. Hinge, ito, more to. Saan usually tama niya?
Upper back. Angat mo nga, alika. Angat mo konti. Yan, wait lang. Bitaw. Angat. Pinuray lahat. Tama na. Angat mo na. Yes. Kable na kuryente. Ah. Kamusta ang workout natin? So, they did my workout, then naka-join din ako sa ibang exercise. So, how's the workout?
Yummy.
Yummy.
That was delicious workout, man. Yep.
The secret.
A new explanation, bro. Literally new for us.
New
So we enjoyed it.
So yun. Minsan lang di kasi nila gawin. They tried something new. And as you can see, progress are not lying. Show the gains. Bye, uwi na ako. Sila na yung bida dito. Sila na yung magagawa ng content. Anyways, that's it. Thank you guys. Thank you for guys effort. Next time ulit, gagawa kami. So, report nyo lang silang dalawa. Biglang report. That's pretty much it. Make your future self proud.